One of the things I noticed about this, dude, is the stock chain.
Yeah.
Each link is a little bit different. This is the Oregon Pro chain. And I just noticed the file fits in here a little bit differently on these links, which tells me that it's not the QC. The QC on these chains is like, see, like that one there. There's no file fit there. The file should fit better. So I gotta grind away that pocket quite a lot. I gotta grind that pocket away quite a lot before I can get up in here. So the file, you pull the file back up at a 45-degree angle like this, and you catch the tooth. See that?
Yeah.
And in order to do that, I gotta freaking grind away a big chunk of that pocket just to get up on that blade up there. So the blade cuts on the side and the top. That's how it makes a freaking slot in the wood. So this particular tooth is actually requiring a lot of grinding. And I noticed the next tooth, maybe not so much. There, so it's starting to get there now. There. That's a better fit. See that? Much better fit. It's pretty much ready to go. So this is why Buck and Billy and a lot of the older time chainsaw guys that have been doing it for 50 years, they're like, I don't like the stock chain. See that filed up nice right there. This is a pretty good fit here too. But not every freaking link, not every tooth is a good fit. Okay, that's good for now. Rakers.
These are the
These
rakers.
shark fin things sticking up.
Yeah.
And they have a lot to do with the chain depth in the wood, and they have a lot to do with how this tooth catches the wood. So one thing with the standard freaking stock chain from the manufacturer is the rakers are not very aggressive. There, so that's 6. So I just took the top tip of that off, just a little bit, right?
Yeah.
This one I've already done a little bit, but I'm gonna do 2 more. There we go. And I put my thumb over this tooth here, this blade, to protect the file from hitting the blade here, because I just sharpened it. I don't want to mess that up. One of the things I noticed is the rakers are kind of not really consistent either. So I'm just filing it down until it's visually flatter. There. About 7 swipes, dude, just to take that top off. And what this does, it helps the freaking chain, if you got enough torque on your saw anyway, it helps the chain freaking take out more wood. The saw take out more wood. So that's 7. So yeah, that's good, man. got a good idle. She's getting enough air and fuel. I tuned up the throttle just a little bit, touched the throttle up just a little bit. The low jet is just a little bit rich. And then I increase the high jet, so I get just a pretty good RPMs, not too fast, not too slow, and it seems to have good cutting. It's got good torque in the cut. So the only thing I'm kind of interested in right now is the cutting will bog down. If I don't have the saw like just right in the cut, kind of bogs down a little bit. But I think that might just be due to the compression is not absolutely optimum in the saw. It's like compression is like, I don't know, 85–90%. So we're gonna do some cutting here.
it's still 4-stroking a little bit there in the high, and at the high RPMs, and then she settles down once you put her in the wood. So we got cutting performance. Okay, and then the other thing is the chips. That's what you get when you sharpen your own chain and bring down the rakers a little bit. You remove a lot of wood. That stock chain didn't look nearly as nice as that. So you got ribbons, you got chip squares, chunks. It's good freaking chips, man. Check this out. Real nice chips. Right on. So that's it, dude. That's the MS261 GEN-1 2010. She's got the high flow red beard intake filter, and she's got ported exhaust, muffler, and rebuilt carburetor, and compression's pretty good. Could be better, but it's about 90%. About 90%. And I'm running her on 30-to-1 oil mix with 91 octane gas and no ethanol. That's right on.